Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials so fixes work. Check your device, OS, and whether you use the Facebook app or a browser. Outdated clients often trigger limited. Facebook. Com. Then test the network. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, disable any VPN or proxy, and toggle airplane mode to reset routing. While doing that, make sure you can access your account email or phone for codes. Once done, note any error messages exactly so you can target the next steps precisely. Now perform the detailed execution to restore normal access. Clear the app cache or browser cookies and site data, then restart the app. This often resolves erroneous redirects to limited. Facebook. Com. Next, inspect your account for suspicious connected apps, remove any you don't recognize, and delete content that might have triggered automated limits. Additionally, run a malware scan on your device because compromised endpoints can cause restrictions. If the problem persists, update or reinstall the app and try logging in again to see if the limit clears. To finish, complete account recovery and verification steps. Use Facebook's security check to confirm your identity, enter 2FA codes, or submit identity verification if requested. These actions explain why limits exist and allow automated lifting. If that fails, submit a support form through the Help Center with clear screenshots and timestamps. Also try signing in from a different device and a different IP to isolate the issue. If nothing changes, wait 24 to 72 hours for systems to reevaluate. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the problem on a second device before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.